Over to get his trailer with his tank on it. And what he's gonna do is he's gonna pump water out of this one until it's light enough to move. And then when we get it to where we need it, he's gonna pump the water back in. It's not news to him.
Is that a five? That's a 552, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's marked. It's just above the 220 mark right here.
Sun's going down, and we're down to 110 gallons. So we'll see if we can move it.
Really whopper.
Garden. Wow. That's fine. Perfect.
They win.
Go. Stop. Wow. That dug up all kinds of.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to be able to move it there for a minute.
Drag this thing around and flatten out the road. They did a good job.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Drag that thing up down the road if you drag it. Flatten it right out.
I did it. I'm still on. I did it.
I'm Patrick.
I'm Carrie. And there's no more tote behind us. We had a water tote here. And we realized that one of the blocks, okay, one of the footings for the foundational blocks was needing to be exactly where that water tote was. And we just taken possession of more water from our water dude. Even though it was still about half full, he filled the rest of it. I'm like,
before we realized we needed to move.
Yeah, how are we gonna? So a new friend down the way needed we gave him 100 gallons of water, and then our friend Chuck came to the rescue. Dun dun dun, and you'll see that. But we got it moved because of Chuck. So thank you, Chuck, for helping us. We appreciate that a lot.
Thank you, sir.
And all of you new subscribers, hi. I'm Carrie. He's Patrick.
We are old critters.
We are the old critters. Welcome to our channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. Everybody staying put. That has helped us tremendously, and we just want to thank you for doing that. And we want to invite new people. Come on to Critter Nation.
Come on in.
Come to the Critter Nation and stay a while. We're building a container house, and we're going to do a lot of infrastructure, if I could say it, to our property here in southern Utah. We have 12 cats and a grand dog living with us.
Yes, 12 cats.
Yeah. I'll put a pop-up for a video explaining the cat pen, which is a playpen.
The backstory.
So anyway, they're all related to each other. They're all fixed and they're all shotted and they're all happy and we love them. And
each and every one.
Each and every one. And it's blowing like a son of a gun out here again. Yep. And here we go.
Let's go to work. Oh, I want you. Moved it once, so that's pretty good right there.
Yeah, I didn't think you could even get that close. That's a tight fit, man. That's awesome.
But we just come around this way and get some of this back.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what he just did. That's a space that bucket's almost dang near as wide as this area.
Well, it's 7 feet wide.
Yeah, and then these are set at like a foot out, so he's really only got 8 feet when his bucket's 7 feet.
Yeah.
And his backhoe is wider than that, isn't it? So that's pretty amazing that we got that done like that. I think that he's done.
That's pretty close.
That's good enough. That's hard to maneuver through there. I'm surprised we didn't have to move the blocks. That's pretty amazing. It's pretty darn good.
I figured we'd bring it out to about here.
Yeah.
Somewhere in there.
But you got rid of that huge hill. And that's just... And
amazing.
Flattened it really nice. So that's awesome. Okay, everybody should have a neighbor that will come over at a moment's notice and save your bacon. I've been wanting to fill this thing in.
No, leave that because we got to dig for the sink.
Oh, okay, but I can do this over here.
Yeah, over here.
I've been wanting to do this for a while. This is the part we dug and I sat there and dug. Oh my gosh.
All that for naught.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, right.
This is worth it because he just saved us like hours and days of digging just by a few minutes of doing that. Number 9 going in. Where do you want me to dump this dirt at?
In front of the door.
I think not. You know why?
What? Do you want to put a pallet thing there?
Well, not a pallet, but wood. Yeah, I want a little deck
Well,
right
yeah,
there.
a little.
But if we build the dirt up again,
Right.
then we'll just have to take it back out, right?
Yeah, true.
Where do you want it then?
Right there in that low spot, right here.
Okay.
Right there, babe.
That's what we call cleaning our dirt. Well, how many did you do today? 9?
Something like that. 8, 9.
9.
Yeah, 9.
9. Holy, we're done. We're done.
For now.
For now, yeah.
It's
And you may notice that we did 86 the trench that was here for the drain, because that was bad planning, poor planning.
If you can see.
And
Anyway, we're gonna dig a new one right down the middle.
Right down the middle.
So.
Yeah. All right, you guys. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate you. And if you haven't, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and get monetized this year.
So subscribe, share, like, comment, do all that stuff.
Yep. Especially if you like our content, if you would share it, that would help us a lot.
That'd be awesome.
Thank you so much. And until we're together again, if you have to, hunker down.